see, day number 17, 18, maybe, possibly. It's time to get packed up because we are going to the Blue Ridge Mountains. This could be some of the most epic biking we've done so far. So just going to get the bike all packed up, and then we are going to set off. It looks like a beautiful day. Really looking forward to this one. It's going to be awesome. A few people now said Blue Ridge Mountains is a place to come, and now we've found the best road in the Blue Ridge Mountains, and there are so many bikers around here, it's crazy. So obviously people are here for a reason. After days upon days of straight line highway driving, we're going to get some of the best roads to ride in America. And Dragon's Tail Road. This route is one of the best roads through the Blue Ridge Mountains. So to say we're excited is an understatement, because we've had so many days now of straight line highway driving to get from point A to point B without much in between. Excitement level is probably at 10.5, and that is out of 10. I'm loving these little American towns. These are awesome. Very cool little places. We've just passed a theme park in the middle of the woods, middle of nowhere, called Fields in the Wood, and it is a Bible themed theme park. I suggested we might have a look inside, but no, it looks like we're going to make a speedy getaway. I've got a feeling that if you go in there, I don't think you're ever coming out, or if you do come out, you're not going to be the same. Oh, well, it seems because we're out in the middle of a forest, away from civilization, that we've lost sat-nav. That does mean that we're heading back towards the Bible theme park. So whether it's destiny, an act of God with the loss of Google Maps, we're heading back that way. So I've got a funny feeling we might just have a quick nip in, Gaz refuses to go in there. I'm not sure if he's banned or something, or being a Satanist he's not allowed in there or something. I've got no idea, but yeah, he's adamant that he cannot go in that place. So. So many bikers everywhere, absolutely everywhere. Every corner you go around, more and more bikes. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Yeah, wow. Every now and again there's a little break in the trees where we get this stunning view of the valley, and we're still not on the Dragon Tail Road yet, you know. Very cool. That is still meant to be the highlight. Yeah. To pub and Nana's kitchen. It's lunchtime, we've not had anything to eat all day. It's been a really fun drive so far, but yeah, time for a break. We're actually having some really big problems at this point. Problem is, there's a viewpoint, something beautiful to see, a reason to stop every 5 minutes. We got the lake, river, we got viewpoints absolutely everywhere. I think me and Gaz need to have a little chat. You know, we can't keep stopping every 5 minutes to check out another beautiful place to take a picture or video. Otherwise, I think we'll be sleeping in this forest. Oof. Yet again another viewpoint. Yeah, wow. We're actually about 3/4 of the way through the Devil's Tail now. Such good biking, but super twisty, and always almost catching the side of a Harley when I go around the corners. Harleys, they're great at cruising, nice bikes to drive, but at the super tight corners, no, that's when I'm wishing I was back on, let's say, the Kawasaki Z900. Now that was a bike that was meant for the twisties. Harley's just a nice, easy bike, but you just need to remember that it's not the most agile in corners, so even like this one here, you need to slow really down. There's a couple of times when I've gone round and I can just about feel the bottom of the bike scraping. Well, that's about all the twisty section done of the Devil's Tail, but we're still not done yet, because now what we've got is the lakeside drive. So a massive lake all the way over here, huge big lake, and then we'll follow this up maybe another 8 miles, 9 miles. The Dragon's Tail. What a stretch of road. No, highly recommend that. Highly recommend that. We need to start making our way towards civilization a little bit, because it's 4:30, and then we still need to decide or find a town close enough that's got a restaurant and a motel. What have you got yourself? Our time on the winding mountain roads is finished for today. Now this place is called, looking on his map, Pigeon Force. I don't know if it's Pigeon or Pigeon Force, I'm not even sure if that's right, or if Gaz is just telling porkies. But everywhere is literally like mini golf, go-karts, mini golf, bungee. This is very strange. It's like if somebody just wanted to turn a town into a crappy version of Disney World. And here we are at Gatlinburg. First impressions, Gatlinburg is about 1,000,000 times better than Pigeon Forge. Hillbilly Golf. Hillbilly Harleys. So I think we'll just pull over somewhere and do a little bit of research and see if we can find a cheapish place to stay. Right, well, we've stopped in Gatlinburg. Yeah, it's a lot bigger than I was expecting. It's, yeah, have a look. So we've come to the best place to do research, which is a bar. It turns out Gatlinburg's a hell of a lot bigger than we were thinking. It's a small little town in the middle of nowhere. Yeah, we didn't do too much research about this, but look at it. It's huge. It feels very Disney-like, as in, if you look at it all, it looks like one company's put it all together. And one thing that I'm sure we will be able to find is some good food in this place, because last night's dinner was the worst. It was meant to be a 12-ounce steak, but I'm pretty sure it was roadkill. So we'll find this Super 8, refresh a little bit, have a shower, and then we're gonna find hopefully some decent food somewhere. So we think that this is an American version of an alpine town. Well, Gaz thinks that. I've not been to an alpine town. We've freshened up, had a shower, time to go and get some food. It looks like a crazy place down here. Possibly pizza. We've not done American pizza, I don't think yet. Well, I might have had a crappy one. But yeah, let's go check out Gatlinburg.
Ready?
So we'll get the pretzels.
Pretzels?
Yeah. The chili. And then the baker's choice.
What size?
The big 16-inch.
Okay, is that it? If you guys need anything else, let me know, okay?
Thank you. Cheers. So we have got, what was this, the baker's choice. So lots of meat, veg, deliciousness. Gaz is already sticking his fingers into the bowl of chili. How's that? Good?
That's a nice chili.
And then just to top it all off, because we didn't think that this was all enough, we've also got the cheesy pretzel. Alright, here we go, quality test. Yes, he likes it. That is a solid piece as well. Meaty, veggie. We're not even halfway through. I'm feeling pretty sick. The bowl of chili is never ending. And then I just see this big pizza right here just looking at me. Oh wow. No more chili for me. Gaz can take that one down. One more. Oh, that's a big piece. No. Well, American portion sizes destroyed us again. Yeah, America, you win. Over halfway on the pizza. Pretzels, I'd say just over halfway. But then chili. Yes.
Nailed it.
We nailed 1 out of 3. Oh, the beer. Don't even get me started on the beer. I don't want to talk about the beer. I really wanted that beer before the food arrived, but now...
You guys take your time, okay? We need any boxes?
Yeah, could we get that one? Do you want that?
Yeah, we'll have those as well. Please.
I don't think he's the most happiest of servers. Yeah, I'm ready for bed. We've got a bit of planning to do. I need to lie my bed and rub my belly for a bit. And then, yeah, sort out the plans for tomorrow. Smoky Mountains, where we're going to go. Say bye, guys. Bye, bye, bye.
Bye, guys.